Alright, YouTube, I'm just looking around. I'm not gonna get anything, but just looking around to do a toy hunt for you guys. For Christmas, I'm looking at Christmas gifts I'm gonna ask for. Probably gonna ask for that and that, but I don't know. I'm gonna spend 50 bucks. This is pretty cool too. That. So I might ask for that. 50 bucks. Customized Superstar. Battle packs. Stardust, John Cena, Heroes, British Bulldog, or Junkyard Dog, and Ryan, that's been around forever. Cody Rhodes, John Cena, Junkyard Dog, Tito Santana, Tito Santana, Junkyard Dog, John Cena, and who's that back there? Junkyard Dog again. These rings are this. So here I might ask for this. Not sure. This is pretty big though. How much is this steel kit? 50 bucks. I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god, I hate that. It's not even like accurate. Get the new titles in them. So yeah, he's pretty cool. They have like they have 6 of them. It's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna pick anything up today, but I'm gonna ask for that stuff. So if you guys want to ask for something for Christmas, do it. So please like, subscribe, favorite, and see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.